Today we will see the assembly drawing of a bench vise which consists of three parts. The first one is the base, the second one is the rod, and the third one is the slider. Okay, let's begin with the base. So the first part, base, the shape of the base is visible in right side view, okay, which is right plane. So we must begin this drawing in right plane. So let's begin new part, select right plane, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, so if you observe this, so the size of the rectangle which is here 60 by 60. So go to smart dimension, make it 60 by 60. Also we need two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis. So go to center line, from the midpoint to the opposite midpoint, place a line, escape. Again select center line, from this midpoint to another midpoint, escape. So now we need this shape. So the distance between this point to this point is 40 and the included angle here is 80 degrees. So select a line, draw an inclined line, then go horizontal and again inclined line, escape. Now we don't need the area inside this shape. Go to trim entities, trim this portion, then okay. Now the distance between these 2 points is 40 and the height is 20. So go to smart dimension, from this point to this point it is 40 and the height from this line to this line it is 20. Okay, now we forgot the included angle. The included angle is 80. So click this line and this line and make this 80. If you observe this, the shape is distorted, so we must make this symmetric through the vertical axis. So simply hold control, click this line, click this axis and also click this line. First, second, third. Hold control and select these three lines and make it symmetric. Then okay. So now it is fully defined. So here we need to copy this shape here. So we can mirror it. Select mirror entities. Entities to mirror. Click this one. Click the second and third. Mirror about. Click here. Mirror about. Select the horizontal axis. So you will see the shape here. Then okay. So again we don't need this shape, so we will trim this. Go to trim entities, click here, trim this portion. Okay, now we need these two rectangular slots basically. So the size of the rectangle here is 6 by 12. So go back, select center rectangle, click here and place the rectangle like this, then click OK. Then we don't need the outer side, so go to trim entities, again click this thing which is outside, then click OK. Now we need to give the dimension. So the height is 12, so from the half we can give it as, from the horizontal axis we can give it as 6. So go to smart dimension, or simply you can give this as 12, and the depth is, go to smart dimension, this depth here is 6, and the total height is 12, so from this horizontal axis till here it is 6, so that it will be centered. Then click OK. We don't need this portion, so we will trim it. So delete this, delete this, delete this, also delete this. So again we can trim this portion, we can mirror this portion. Okay, so the same thing is here, so we can mirror it about vertical axis. So go to mirror entities, select the entities to mirror, second, third, these 3 lines we can mirror about the vertical axis. Click here and select the vertical axis, then click OK. Again we don't need this portion, we will trim it. Now the view is completed. We can extrude it using extruded boss base for a length of 100. So go back, so the figure is fully defined. Go to features, select extruded boss base and give it a length of 100. Okay, so this is the first part. The base is ready. Save it as final PT or part 1. Now we will go for the second part, which is the rod. So the rod, it is visible in the top view. Okay, basically it is a bolt. Okay, so which is visible in top view. So we will select the top plane. The diameter here is 24. The lower diameter here is 12. This diameter is 24 and the lower diameter is 12. Here the height is 20 and here the height is 80. So go back, close this window, open a new part, select top plane this time, go to sketch, select circle, draw a circle, click OK, go to smart dimension and the diameter here is 24. Okay, then the height is 20. So go to features, extruded boss base, and give it a height 20. Click OK. Now we will draw this lower portion. The diameter is 12, so tilt it, select this plane, go normal to, go to sketch, select circle, draw a concentric circle from the same center as before, give it a diameter of 12. OK, go to features. This time the height will be 80. So go to extruded boss base, make this 80, enter, then OK. Now Control 7 to go back to isometric view. Now here it is written as diameter 12 thread. Okay, so we must create a thread here for a height of 70. You can see there is an offset of 10 and the length of the thread is 70. Go back, go to hole wizard here. Okay, select the thread option. Okay, now here it is a metric die 12 in 12 M12 into 1.75. Okay, so thread location, click the thread location and select the circle. Wait for some time so that the thread will appear. Now go for offset. Okay, we need the total length here is 80, but we need the thread for only 70. So here we need to create an offset of 10. Okay, we need the thread only for this portion which is 70. So here it is written as 70 thread. Go back, select an offset. Okay, click offset and make it 10. Okay, so the offset we are giving, the direction is upwards now. See, it is going upwards, but what we need is downwards. So we can change the direction of the offset. Here it is offset, we can change the direction. Okay, so click reverse direction. Now it will go downside. Okay, see, now it is going downside. No problem if it is going outside of the bolt. Simply click OK. So now the thread is applied on the part. Simply save it as final part 2. So if it is, the dialog is coming like this, rebuild and save the document. Now 2 parts completed. The last part, which is a slider. Okay, now first we must see in which plane it is visible. So this is visible in right plane again. So go back, close this part, open a new part, select right plane, go to sketch. Now here if you observe this part, there are 2 concentric circles and 1 axis. Okay, So these circles are of radius 24 and 36. So first we need to draw two circles. So this 24 radius means diameter will be 48, 36 radius yani diameter 72, 48, 72. So go back, select circle, right plane, okay. Select circle, draw two circles. Select OK. Now give the dimension 72 and this one 48. Okay. So radius 24 yani 48, radius 36 means 72. Now we need a axis. So draw the axis, zoom out, select the center line, simply trace it upside so that one line will come. Click here and click downwards. So this is your axis. So now this is the vertical axis. Now we need to create a horizontal axis. So this is my horizontal axis. Escape. Now we don't need this portion. So again we are going to use the mirror feature. So we will only create this right side portion and we will mirror it about the vertical axis. So only we need the right side portion, only this one. Then we will mirror it. Okay. So let's begin. So all the other portions, these three quadrants, the first, the fourth and the third quadrants, we will delete it. Okay. Go to trim entities, delete this and also delete this. Okay. Zoom in. Now we will create the fillets later. Okay. So basically this is closing here, then going towards a slight right side for a length of 4, then going downwards 36, 16, 12 and 6, then going upside and closing like this. So let's begin. Select a normal line. From here go a little right side, go downwards, go left side, again upwards, right side. Don't click here, okay. You should go a little beyond so that it will not fix here, or else the point will fix here and it cannot be changed later. So go right side, click here, go upside, click on this one, zoom in, close it. Okay. Now we will go for the dimensions. Go to smart dimensions. This is 4, 36, 16. This is 4. This is 36. This is 16. And this is 12. 12. And this is 6. 16 minus 10 will be 6. Go back. So this distance is 6. Okay. Now our figure is fully defined and we have the half portion. Okay. So we will create the another half by mirroring, same like before. Okay. So, okay, I think we have missed one dimension, which is 80. Okay, this is not completed. Okay, we have only circle, so we need to create this portion. Okay, so for that, what we will do, select the line from here, click, go upside, click, go right side, click, and connect this. Now we must apply the dimensions. If this is 24, the half will be 12. Okay, so go to smart dimension. This portion here is 12. Okay, and the height from the base till this point is 80. So let's give this, go to smart dimension, select this line, select this line, it's not select, go to smart dimension, select this line, then select this line. The height here is 80, and we don't need this portion, so we will trim it. Go to trim entities, select this. So now the figure is fully defined. Okay, we need to mirror this. Go to mirror entities, select the lines you need to mirror, or simply to avoid this step. Okay, what we can do, delete this, close the line here. Now it will change the color to the shaded portion. Click OK. So now we can mirror the entities easily. Okay, go to the mirror entities, select entities to mirror, then click inside. Okay, click inside this part so that all the lines are selected. Then mirror about, select this axis, vertical axis, then click OK. Now we have this part. So here we don't need this line, so go to trim entities, delete this line. Okay, select OK. Now so the thickness of this part is 20. So go back and go for the features, extruded boss base, give it a thickness 20, then click OK. Okay, so now what is remaining here? Here diameter 12 through thread. Okay, through all line. So we must create a thread of diameter 12 here. Click, select normal to, go to sketch, select a circle, from midpoint go to this midpoint and this midpoint. Okay, so you will get the center. Okay, from this midpoint downside and from this midpoint left side. So click here. Okay, go to smart dimension, make it a diameter of 12. Okay, then go to features, extruded cut, then through all, then OK. Now Control 7 to go back to the isometric view. Go to whole wizard, thread, must select this extruded thread option. Here metric die M12 1.75. So location will be so if it is blind, just reduce it to 20. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now Control 7. We must create an offset, I think. So go to offset, create an offset of 2 and change the direction. Okay, it seems fine. So make it 0 offset. Okay. So now we have thread inside. Control 7. Save it as final part 3. Now we are ready to do the assembly. Just close it. Select new assembly and select the 3 parts. Open. Place the parts one by one. Zoom in. Go to mate. So now this surface here, it will go here. Click here. Okay. Click there first, then click here, then OK. Now this surface will go here. Okay. Now we can simply move it over here. So again zoom in the thread. Okay, we need to zoom in like this and select this portion and zoom out and select this portion inside. Okay, So it will come like this, then select OK. Now finally we did the mating, okay, like this. So with this the assembly is completed.